Good morning. Yeah, now I'm now starting the vibe. The special vibe is Makamugenda. As you know, we are starting African Gold. Good morning, African Gold. I see Kajibaba. Thank you so much, Adnasa. Good morning. Joseph Yeah, you are welcome this morning vibe with Nyatiti. Joseph Raja Kalio Nanungo Raja Adna South and the vibe. Yeah, Dongani Raja Morning Jabad Nasa. Yeah, Morning Jabad Nasa. Hussein Abu, youth boy. Morning Jabad Nasa. Yeah, ni morning. Morning Jabad Nasa. I see these of our guys. Remember, it's Makamugenda with the traditional morning vibe. Mr. Redline, morning Jatanya Umisa. Abe, Dingatinelova, Udakin Kalolin. I see them fine. The team also in the vibe. You are welcome, Jambo Sana. Yeah. Yola Dukamoya Kinkalulin Adinasa. Dukamoya Kinkalulin Joseph Raja Umi. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, this is a morning vibe. Nakiseke. You are welcome, Naseke. Red Rikumba. Seko. Raja Umisa. Kago Nyatiti Marati. Hello. Mr. Mkuya. Maraba. Yeah. Let's continue. It doesn't matter where you are. Thank you so much, Mr. Red and Fine. Red and Fine. The team also in the line. I see Namula. Ibra Oko. Adna Souls on the vibe. I see. Yeah, this is a morning vibe. Dandana, 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 tiger. Engineer, tiger, nobody, tiger, nobody. Oh, good morning, Austin. Good morning, Anasa. Let's find the team. So therefore, I am with you. Yo! Yeah! I see a hero, Baba. Ah! Legacy, furniture, Migori Canyon, Migori Canyon. Dojo Migori, Penjo Fuenya. Yeah! Dojo Migori, Penjo Fuenya. People from Migori. Migori furniture. The best of the best furniture. And good morning, Anne. I see Anne. Kalungo Jongama Jong. Ah, Ostino. Morning, good morning, my brother. Where are you? Tiger, Tiger, ah, Tiger. Good morning, Tiger, Bob. Yeah, you see right now, even when they are happy, what they are getting. Yeah, Karanja, Karanja. Say hi to Tiger. And my bed with mama. I've been in Canole, so winter, good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Canole, Apostle. Donny, Baba. Yeah. Dokumodake Kalole. Wow, he live in Kalole. And of course, in the vine. You're welcome. These are my welcome bye. Thank you so much, Tiger. Tiger, when you're away, everything is not fine. Najima, yeah. Tiger Baba. Yo. Melody Nyambura. Ah. Yeah. Yare. Waura Bernard Kimutai. Yare. Yare Hakimu Baba. Yeah, this morning bye. Yeah, Isaac also in the vibe. Keep on watching. Yeah, morning everyone. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. And also in the vibe. Yeah, we call it Maka Mugenda. Isaiah also in the vibe, guys. Just keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti from western part of Kenya, guys. Yeah, I know people will say from Nyanza, not from western. It is from western part of Kenya. Gloria. I say Western Kenya. Hawaii Rosa. Yo! Nyatiti. Ah, Umbari. Ha. I see Larry. Good morning, Larry. Nyatiti. Yeah. Good morning, Nyatiti. I see. Yeah. Arizona, Arizona. Give me the gift now. I see my rich morning. Yeah. Sara niaje Nyaga Sara. It's a morning band. Yeah. You have to dance very early in the morning, Larry. Rosa. Thank you so much, Rosa. I see you guys watching on the side of YouTube. Good morning, Rosa. Yeah. Sandy, Sandy. How are you, Sandy? Good morning, Sandy. Yeah. Good morning, Rosa. Yeah. Good Johnny. I see Johnny Water. Yes. Ha ha. Chop up the skin, guys. We are still behind the time. I think everyone have now time. I see Sandy Sandy. KUV. Rosa, how are you? I'm fine, my brother. Yeah. Good night, Sandy. Guys, also check on YouTube, subscribe please, by the name Akamugenda. Yeah. I got to. Yeah. This only good night. Ha ha. I see Rosa. This is the good night. This Omwami. Yeah. Omwami Baba. Ha ha. Omwami Abdul. Omwami Baba. Yo yo. Yo. Yeah, I see an ass. And Mama. Oh, man, good morning. Yeah. So I love Mugenda. Goddess. Wololo Goddess. Kulawaya. Wololo Goddess. Yeah, Sandy. Wololo Goddess. Kiki also the bye. Melissa Mama. Ha ha. Yeah, me and Mama. Morning on. Niken Janina Mumakoaya. Sandia. Kulawaya Sasa. Niken Janina Mumakoaya. Thank you so much, Rosa. Good night. You have to check on YouTube, guys. Yeah. Nizali, good morning. Nizali, dance woman is called Nyatiti. Nizali, good morning. Yeah, you send that everyone, good morning. Oh yeah, Ozil. Goddess of the divine. Nia Dundumam. How are you, Goddess? Yeah. keep on watching. It's Makam Uganda. This is a very special vibe. It's called Nyatiti, guys. For those who are asking, yeah, Poland, how are you? There's a guy who loves swelling. He's also watching from Poland. Can you just keep on watching? I see the. Animo! Angela. Unknown also in the vibe. This is a morning vibe. Musqueria from United States. Tap the screen, guys. I see the big number, but you're not tapping. I don't know why. Kill me with a gift if you have. Max Mapian, thank you so much, my brother. Yeah, yeah. Ebu Karibu Stella. I see Honorable Brian. Kararwa, yeah. When you're in Kararwa, this is a morning bar. Yo, Kararwa. Anashuka fanya jambo. Stella, yeah. Stella anasemaje? Mustang. I wanna see Stella, mama. Where is Stella? Yo, Stella, hi. Yo, Stella, hi. Mkononi. Walo, 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 chombo. This is Nyatiti, forget Matiti. You have to forget Matiti. This is Nyatiti, my brother. I don't see Stella. I wanna jump in. Miss Lida. Miss Lida, Senamiela. Miss Lida, Senamiela. Yeah. Miss Lida, can you dance? Yeah. Are you dancing? Yeah. Yeah. Ulawaya. Morning, Miss Lida. I see people from Sweden watching. Demi nena miela. Demi nena miela. Yeah. Isaiah. Unjel Baba. Unjel Baba. Where's that? I wanna jump in your shoe. Yeah, I got Miss Leader. We gonna Honorable Brian Songwa in the house, morning Songwa in the house, yeah. Tema solution. I see Colgate back here. Hello, Rosie. Songa. Honorable fanya kitu. You have to do something very special, Sharon Moran. Yeah, honorable. Oluchi, Oluchi Neneguda, Oluchi Neneguda. Hi guys, tap the screen, guys. Please tap the screen. Yeah. Kill me with a gift if you have. You can appreciate with a gift if you have. Lakini if you don't have, you gonna dance. Forget about them. Yeah. It's the morning vibe now. Ha. You don't have. Honorable. Yeah. Please leader. Please leader. Yaki. Ha. Yeah. Dubai. Yeah. Ha. Colonel, you are good one day. Thank you so much, my brother. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Tap the screen, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. For those who are watching, check on YouTube, subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda. Just watch. Tell me how you are being, Omera. Tap the screen if you have the. This is a morning vibe. We are traditional vibe. The instrument is called Nyatiti. If you want to see the instrument I'm playing, is this one. Yeah, just keep on watching. Yeah. Mama Nati. Hello? I see Mama Nati. Let me take water, man. One in case so. Guys, tap the screen, please. Yeah, if you have any comment, just put down. I'll see. I'll answer your question. It's Maka Mugenda. This is a morning vibe. Yeah, I want to say congratulations, bro. Thanks so much. I want Stella kurudi Kenya. Wewe ogwang lelo. Omera. Honorable. That one I play with guitar, not Nyatiti. Nyatiti is I like some keys. You will understand if you know. Vijola. Hakuna matata. Robert. Yeah. How are you, Robert, my brother? Thank you so much. Remember, this is a morning vibe. I can't. Yeah. Goldfish. I see Roberto. I'll show you. Yeah. Baba. Yeah. Oh, Boja Baba. How are you, Boja? Yeah. Boja, you dancing? Kevoyani. Onyi papaje. Ha ha. Kula ngoma, wachana na maswali. Yeah. Boja Baba. Thank you so much, Boja. Remember, this is a vibe. It's a traditional vibe. Yeah. Morning traditional vibe. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Hello, Kevo. This Kenya, hakuna matata. Lazarus, thank you so much. Oh, I Lazo. Ha. Oh, I Lazo. Wallo. Hello. good, jump soon. One. I'm getting ready. Yeah. One, thank you so much. You remember this vibe? Your love can good. Thank you so much. I see why. Yeah, Malcolm. Thank you so much. Tap the screen. Yeah. Baba, Malcolm, Baba, Malcolm, yeah. Can you dance in the vibe? If you like, you better vibe, yeah. David, if you like, you better vibe, yeah. Jingles. If you like, you better dance. Navita in the house. I see Navita. We gonna bang. Yeah, Kulawa. Forget about what is coming now. Yeah. Are you dancing now? Navita. Yeah. Thank you so much, Navid. David, yeah. David, Kulawaya. I see David also, my brother, supporting. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys. Remember, my name is Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Origin is Kenya. Yeah. Aguna Matata. Aguna Matata. David. Got it? I see Ibrahim also in the vibe. Yeah. Thank you so much. If you want to see, these are the things that are now jingle. Vibe trading. Thank you so much. I show you. I think I have to show you. There's someone who asking about the instrument. This way. Vibe trade. How are you? How are you, my brother? Thanks so much. Yeah, I see Carol from I see Carol. How are you, Carol? Thank you, Vibrate. Thank you, Vibrate. Welcome to Tradition. Eriko Simo. Because watching, my friend is watching. Morning Eriko. Well, no, no, my Baba. 1960. Ah. Yeah. 1963. Thank you, my friend. Yeah. Caro, caro, Caroline. Caro, caro, Caroline. Caro, caro, Caroline. Yeah. Ah. I see my friend. Well, no, my friend. Yeah. TikTok. Well, no, Ufana. Zilomara. Thank you, Zilomara. Erika. Thank you, Zilomara. My friend. Zilomara. Zilo. I see. Ziomara. Thank you, Ziomara. Well, no, my baby. Thank you, Ziomara. Thank you, Ziomara. Thank you, thank you, Mina. I don't know what you want. Sometimes it's just slow music. Roddy, the young. Erika Bang, Erika Bang, Erika Dance, Erika Ulu, Erika Bang, Erika, yeah, Erika Ulu, new back, Erika yeah, Erika Zio, Ziomara, Ziomara, Sister come up, Billy, Ziomara, Ziomara, Erika, Ziomara, yeah, gonna zambe, gonna Ziomara, gonna zambe, Erika, Wait! My brothers, thank you so much for your support. I don't know how to appreciate your time, nigga. Hola. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys. Feel our music come from continent. I love this kind. Erika Simon, so thanks so much, my brother. I said the traditional is a traditional Nyatiti. And remember, this is a morning vibe. Ziomara. Yeah. The original hub. Yeah, the original hub. Azumania. Alex, how are you? Alex, also the vibe. Satin, we know, hono, baba, yeah, Meradea, Victoria, I see Atuoma in the mind. I need everyone to dance now. Yeah. That's a love. Yeah. Atuoma Liam. Atuomian. Yeah. You take take Tamu Nyatiti. Look out on the vibe. I don't know why I'm enjoying this way. Yeah, yeah, lazy. Yeah. When I day, what? Yeah. Gary, Jaga. Hello. Hi. Bolo ye. Bolo boko ping. Yo. Abdullah. Kanelo parorieko. Yeah. Nemke. Negatu. Abdullah. We say Abdullah. Yeah. Kanelo parorieko. Yeko. Ah. Yeah. There's the same way you are thinking. Abdullah. Say. I know. Exoskeleton. Let's try. Ready gang. Ready gang. Salutes à toi. Sam. You mamos. Happy. No crediva. Ya crediva. Ya crediva. Ulango. Saturday edition. We gonna start with it. Hey! We gonna start with the fighting. We gonna start with the cola. Ha ha! We gonna. Ready go! Ready. Hello! Ready. Yeah. Ready. Abdullah. Ha! Yellow. I see pretty gang. Abdullah, we better start our Saturday with a lullaby. Abdullah, if you love Yahweh, say Abdullah. You did the big song. I'm a finger. Ha ha. Yeah. Ulawan. Very good. I don't know how to appreciate your guy. Bang bang. Hello. Hi. Yeah, keep on watching, Omera. If you have not subscribed, I don't know why. What are you waiting, Omera? Thanks so much, on the guy. Woo! I see. They have a lot of big people like you, guys. I appreciate your time, guys. For those who are watching, my name is Maka Mugenda. I play traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, if you like the vibe, guys, you better follow on YouTube also. Omera, wachane bwana. Atuwa maniam. Hey, Omera, you not take manaleno. Malcolm, thank you so much, my brother. You have been here. I have seen you several times. No. We are Nona. Yeah. karma outside the vine. Judah! Michael! Malcolm. Yeah. I see Abba. Abdullah. MD Abdullah. Yeah, Abdullah. Absolutely, I love you. Absolutely. Ghania. Dr. Indi. Akonya, good morning. I've learned also the word. Yo! Shikon. Wanji. Good morning. Gani Gami. I see beautiful lady from Eritrea. Love from Eritrea. We gonna bang bang. Down Kenya. Umuero down Kenya. Yes. Bless happiness. Oh, beautiful karma. I see dear Doctor Adaza. Edis. Yeah. Adnasa also never. Anatum cheng nawe. Anatum cheng nawe. Allo. Gonna. Beautiful karma. Yeah. Beautiful karma. Abdullah. Yahweh is there. Oh Yahweh. Oh Yahweh. Yeah. Thank you so much, beautiful karma. Yeah, this is a house of traditional vibe. Yeah, everyone is welcome. I see Yahweh. God, my brother. Yeah, Betty. Betty, Betty. Runs the spell. Runs air. Yeah. Camara. Yeah, so any new nothing, but only me a number one. I look number one. It's well now. Yeah, number one. Yeah, I'm gonna come out to it. When you can, Dr. Ringling. Yeah. Right now, I just want to show you how I do it in my village. Those time at Nasa. I'm going to come out to get on you. Yeah. I see now. You're gonna go. You're gonna go. Yeah. On But only me are number one. Harmony, number one. Ha ha. Yeah. Nyatiti, number one. Kulawa. What are you waiting? Where are you waiting? Yeah, love it. It's a morning bike, but you have to check. Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Baba. Ha ha. Yeah, Baba. Kulawa. Yeah. Aduma mama. Aduma kulawa. Wachana na maneno. Jingonago. Odolilunga. Yeah. Odolilunga. Ah. Golem yo puenya ken. Debo. Randa also the bar. Kwa omera krieki kichwe. Ibiro boyo gino. Omera krieki ya. Ichieo ga gokinyi ni ibiro go. Raila Odinga. Ingen Raila indo koro nyaka bloki. Akegi mumi adwa bloki. Ingene kipinga tipinga igimi biro neno. Maningeni igori noma Raila. Kata in Raila kamano. Guys, keep on watching for those who are watching. Omera kiriek kik ichieo ga gokinyi. Okay, Raila Odinga isere no Nyatiti moromo. Wimunda bloki. Guys, thank you so much. I want to block someone here. I think now I have done it. Let's continue the vibe. Yeah, you tell me shit, I block you. Lady Bang, how are you? How are you, lady? Yeah, my name is Maka Mugenda. Let's continue with the vibe. Yeah, lady. I see the lady from United States of America. Big respect. Omer, I'm keeping a double lucky. One year king. Hajala. Ewa. I see me. Ewa. Obios on the vibe. Mishaus on the vibe, I see my brother by the name. Yeah. Wazazi wako. Amma bado wanalala. If you don't have a parent, you have to wake up very early in the morning, my brother. You don't have to sleep. Good boy. Lipia Raja. Nestle. Evan. Thank you so much, Evan. I don't know how to appreciate your gift. Tender. Hello. Evan, Baba. Have you done Nyatiti? Have you made such kind of instrument before, Evan? This instrument we say, Mwah. Yeah, Evan, Mwah. Nunita, Mwah. Slime, Oleo, we gonna banga ikoju. Alanga mapinga ta block bwana. Ukinipinga, I block you. Mwanau. Yeah. Baba. I know sometimes you don't understand what I'm now singing now, but it's just about entertainment. Let go me. Aisha, good morning. Yeah. Looking your tama. Your tama. Paradise. Yeah. Lexi, you better dance, you better bang bang, you go gone. Yeah. Genevieve, Genevieve, good morning. You gonna kill me with a gift. I say heaven when you kill me with a gift. Yeah. I say amen, amen. And by the time I say amen, Yahweh bless. Yeah. Yahweh now start blessing. Yeah. Janabi. Well, no, pero. I see pero. Eat. Kulawa. Yeah. Pero kulawa. I want you to shake. I want you to shake. Pero. Yeah. I want everyone to shake now, because time is not on my side, guys. You better shake. You better shake. You better shake. You better shake. I don't know why. Yeah. If you have a ways to shake now, this ingenge obingwa Gloria Dani Jamale we say mama. Habari Junior also the bar. Just continue the vibe. Yeah, Amani. Namani. Jula. What's that song? Gloria. Hello. The song is about Gloria. Gloria Kati. Every time bring. Yeah, Jesus also never. I can't deny Jesus. Amani. Yeah. Wait, no song about Ole. Okay. Let me sing for Amani. Vibrating. Ole. Amani Baba. Amani. Yeah. Thank you, vibrating. Thank you, my brother. I wanna sing to my people. I wanna sing to my people. Vibrating number one. Yeah. You getting the mic? Vibrating number one. Vibrating number one. Yeah. Namani number two. Wakuje hapo, hakuna wakuje hapo. I don't understand what you have typed. Amani number one. Yeah. Vibrating number one. Amani number two. Smiley. DJ Chapati, I want you to make something here very special, because right now I am vibe trading. I don't know which kind of trading are you doing, my brother. Yeah. Kenya. I'm from Kenya, my brother. Gloria. Yeah. Trading number one. Thank you for trading. Asante sana. Amani. Asante sana. Yeah. It's a man. Yeah. I don't know. Vibe trading deal with what? I just see the logo of Vibe trading. I don't know what it's dealing with. I will advertise your company. Asante sana. Munaipenda beat. Mina alipenda beat. Yeah. I need your company. Stock market investment. Yeah. If you want stock market investment, hello, investment. If you want to invest, my brother, a money vibe, yeah, a money vibe, a money number one, investment number one, investment number one. Yeah, that is investment company. A money, yeah, yeah. A money, one, one. Thank you so much, man. I like that investment. I don't know. This is what you call Nyatiti sound. Yeah, Abby Royal. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. We call it Nyatiti. Yeah, let's continue with the vibe, guys. We have a lot of things right now to play. I'm from Kenya. Oh, Veronica. Oh, Veronica. Yeah. Oh, Veronica. Oh, Veronica. Oh, Veronica. Have you seen a money guy? Are you ready to invest? Are you ready? Yeah, kinywaji. Na mie nataka kinywaji. Where are you, Veronica? Hello? Where are you, Veronica? Are you ready to invest? I'm modified. I'm modified. Julie! Yo! Ruby! Ha ha ha! Yeah! When you want to invest, don't forget a money investment. Are you ready, Veronica? Where are you from, Veronica? I entertain everyone, guys. Victor! Victor on the vibe. Yeah! I think Arturuzo. Greeting from Minnesota. Yeah! Arturus. Arturus. People from Brazil. Gonna bang bang. We know Brazil with football. And you know Kenya with athletic, my brother. You remember Kipchoge and Waka Mugenda on music side. Artu. Let's go. Oh, Mama Benina. Oh, Mama Benina. Vita. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Nothing no better side. Nothing no. Niña, forest also the bar. Niña, yeah. Why is Angulo? Hello, Mati also the bar. How are you, Pink? Well, no bambalele, jare. No bambalele. I wanna marry Angulo, but the mother refuse. I wanna marry Angulo, but the mother refuse. Why, Mama Zangulo? Yeah, Boba, Boba. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda. I see now we are going very fine. And also, there's a vibe. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube, please subscribe. Why? Subscribe is Maka Mugenda. Yeah, if you have any requests, but it's a free composition. There's a free vibe. Free vibe. I mean, by the time I say free vibe, I say something like free dedication. This is a house where you will get a lot of things, guys. Just happiness. Nothing like happiness. If you want to be blessed, you have to be happy. Willie Mo. Yeah. Irol. Yuka. Zakia. Solasi. Solasi. You are Bayam. Bayami. Solasi. Yakia. Nico. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. Today can be hard. Tomorrow will be okay. Hello. Nothing is permanent. So last. Yeah. Okay. Tap the screen. If you have a gift, you can just share. Nothing is permanent. Zakia. Mare. Oh, mare. Jumbo. Jamaica. Oh, you're bad. Marraine on the fire. Yeah. Ding ding yeah. Ding Alexia. Jonah. How are you, Jonah? I know you. And thank you so much. I know you. I know you. I know you. Resting. Nothing is permanent, my brother. Yeah. Season come, season pass. Season come, season pass. Nothing is permanent. I know. Yeah. But I trust nobody. Are you ready? But I trust nobody. Ting out dance, one look out dance, I go dance, yeah, resting. Nothing is permanent. Resting, nothing is permanent. Season comes, season pass. Today can be hard, tomorrow will be better. Today you can be hurted, tomorrow you will get someone better. Yeah! Only God we serve is not a losing God. Yeah! Are you ready? God we serve every day is not a losing God. Yeah! Season come, season go. Aye, mama. Yeah, guys. The song says, season come, season go. Nothing is permanent. If someone have hurted you, let it go, because nothing is permanent. Today you can be down, but tomorrow you will be high. Yeah, you can't judge someone because of today. That's about the song, because God is the one who have that. God is the one who can do that song. Tekiso, how are you? Let's go. Yeah. Welcome, Jada. Yeah. I see Robert also the vine. Only God, yep. Only God. God do, God do. I will never rest, maka. Yeah. I will never rest, maka. Never rest. Yeah. Never rest, enemy. Never rest. Never hit enemies in your back. Are you ready? Never hit enemies in your back. Zaki, oh Zaki. Never rest. Enemy is on your back now. Yeah. We appreciate talent gone. The kings over. I see resting bar. Never rest. Pray every day. God will answer your prayer. Yeah. God will answer your prayer. Jump on. Take it so. Aronica. Never rest. Enemy follow you. Yeah. Never rest. Yole. Resting by. Hello. Never rest. Enemy follow you. Are you ready? Wake up on the morning. Nothing. Have you seen Rosa? There's a beautiful lady with the name Rosa. Yeah. Hello, fortune. Hello. Yeah. Adante. Tap the screen. Adante. Yeah. Baby, the melana. Kulawa. Today. Forget about tomorrow. What? Yeah. Concentrate on 24 hours. Forget about tomorrow. If you do good today, you will get tomorrow. Adante, Osie Panano, Akure. If you do today, if you do good today, you will harvest good tomorrow. Hello? If you want to waste your time now, you will suffer tomorrow. Hello? Never rest, never rest, never rest, my brother. Never rest, never rest. Yeah, take it so. Never rest, take it so. Adante Baba, unge iwe, yeah, unge iwe, I say Mark, unge iwe, Isaac, yeah, unge iwe, never rest, never rest, never rest, never rest, yeah, never rest, never rest. Enemies follow me. You are followed with many enemies. Never rest, because if you rest today, they will pass, and they will pretty cool do they. Thank you so much, guys. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting. Just subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda, the same name I use in TikTok. Please follow, subscribe, watch. Yeah. Let me ask you, guys, for those who are watching, I have a question. This generation, there is, okay, which percentage can you give? Okay, my question is, in this generation, right now, this generation, if you don't have money, totally you don't have money. If you don't have money, I say if you don't have money, that means you are in poverty, my brother. You are struggling. You are surrounded with poverty. Can you manage love? Can you manage love? Love with money. But me, I believe no money, no love. Because in the beginning, they will say, I love you without money. After that, they will just wait for that change because they see they want change. Are you getting? So, this is a song I composed, and the main reason why I did this song is because how can a poor person be romantic? Because ladies need cars, bro. They need money. They need to be treated. That's there. Because if you don't change, they will look someone who have already changed. Are you getting? Yeah. So this song I say, how can a poor man be romantic? Why don't you go use song? I was asking a question, my brother. A long person trying to prove their circumstance can be love. How can a poor man be romantic? MG, how can a poor man be romantic? How can a person surrounded with poverty be romantic? Eliza. How can a poor man be romantic? Yeah, they need to pizza. They need to pizza. Eliza, how can a poor man be romantic? Yeah, are you ready? Ali Devi, Ali Baba, Junior, yeah. Oh my brother, ah, oh my brother, oh my brother, yeah. Emma, how are you? Rafael, good morning, Alex. Rafa Babale, Rafa Babale, Rafa Babale, yeah. How can a poor man be romantic? Hey, Fatma, Fatma, well, no, Fatma, well, no, Fatma, well, no, Fatma. Thank you so much, Fatma. How can a poor man be romantic this generation? Yeah, Akubule, say money, Begali, yeah, Begali, Socorro, Atmo Baba, Atmo Baba, yeah. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Yeah. Hello. How can a poor man be romantic in this generation? Yeah. I need this pizza, baby. I need pizza, baby. I want to vacation. I want to go to vacation in the yeah. I want to go to vacation in the yeah. I ask you, how can a poor man be romantic? In this generation, they wanna spend money. They wanna spend money. Yeah, ladies need money. Sunday, relationship money. Relationship money. Hello. Pesa sabuni ya. Six pack without money is like disability, my brother. Yeah, suddenly. Six pack without money is like disability, my brother. Focus on money, focus on money. I want money, yeah, money, oh money, Kalinari. Money, money, yeah, Kalinari Baba. I see Kalinari. How can a poor man be romantic? Bravo, bravo, in this generation. I see wool blow. We gonna, yeah, Africa, Dunis, I see Dunis also there. We gonna dance, yeah, Dunis dance, we gonna dance, yeah, Dunis gonna dance, Dunis gonna dance. No money, no money, no money, no money, no money, no money. Yeah, I ready. African prince. No money, no honey, my brother. This goes to man. Yeah. No money, no honey, Baba. Carol, how can a poor man be romantic? They wanna go, yeah. They wanna have vacation. They wanna go vacation. Willie, no, Caro, yeah, Caro. African prince, yeah. Have you seen Caro? Will blow. How can a poor man be romantic in this generation? They need a change. Caro. I'm looking for Caro. Let me sing for. I want to sing. I want to give you only 2 songs. One for the prince, prince, African prince, not just a prince, is an African prince. And there's a lady by the name Carolina. Carolina, don't joke with Carolina. Yeah. African prince. Have you seen Carolina? Oh, mama, Carolina. Oh, Caro, yeah. Oh, Caro. Oh, Caro. Yeah, will blow. I'm Indian. I wanna Bombay. I wanna zombie. King. Kimbaba. Bereji. Kimbaba. Bereji. Kimbaba. Kimbaba. Yeah. Bereji. Yeah. Oh, Caro. Oh, Caro. I gonna sing, I gonna vibe, I gonna zombie, I gonna jangal. Caro, oh, Caro, oh, Caro, yeah, Caro, where Caro, come, Caro, yeah, come, Caro, African thing. Have you seen Caro? Loinos. Oh, Caro, yelele, yelele, oh, Caro, yeah, oh, Caro, Dalia, you see Caro, hello, she look like African prince, she look like African prince. What I learn about Caro? She look like African prince. Both ladies, both of them. Caro was the fun. Caro, oh, Caro. They were creative. They were creative. Tyler, yeah. Oh, Caro. Where are you, Caro? Oh, Caro. Yeah. Victor. African prince, yeah. Oh, Carol, oh, Carol, I wanna see Mama Carol, Carolina, yeah, Carolina. It's not raining, it's not raining, it's not raining. Oh, no, Carol, goodbye, Carol. Guys, it's raining. I'm really sorry, I have to shift now. Wow, it's drizzle. And you know what I have to start with is my phone. This thing is getting serious, Buana. It's getting serious. Guys, I'm really sorry, but I have to shift again. Code Viro. Mama yangu, Code Viro. Oh yeah. Yatewa, Code Viro. Kaliton, how are you? Code Viro, Buana. Code Viro, rain is coming. Man. Something sometimes. Okay. Thanks so much, Caro. Asante sana, African Prince. Yeah. Cause I've gone then. Yeah, I've gone. Cause I've gone. Okay. African Friends, do you know that song? The song is also a song of Ayub. Say, I will be back. Thanks so much, guys. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Maria, also I see you. Yeah. I see joy. Trinity. Asik. Milen. Babas. Outstanding. Dala. I see a scene. Don't need my ballet. Don't need my ballet. Control how you sing, just going. Imbambazi, Imbambazi. Look, Babale, Gracie. Yeah. I miss you more, Gracie. Ah. Mbambazi. Yeah. Mbambazi. Hello. Oh, Gracie. MC Kenna. How do you become a good singer? Mbambazi. Yeah. Andy, thank you. Andy, thank you. May God bless you. Yeah. My Lord. Thank you so much, Mbambazi. Albania. Ah. Hello. Yeah. Thank you so much. I don't know your name, but thank you so much. Let me tell my story. Let me tell you my story from my home. Andy, where Peter Pan? Andy, Albania. How is Albania? Albania. Andy's from Albania. God in Zaya. Trinity. African Prince. Yeah. I born in Zaya. Nyatiti. Activating island, to exist, and the Malo African Prince, Umupacho, Izumudala, yeah, La Peraina, and I'm gonna come to Albania. I have to come to Albania. You see Andy, yeah. Before I have to go to South Africa. Yeah. Thank you so much. I don't know your name. I just say a Cape. A Prince Cape. I just say a Prince Cape. Where in India? Kuna shida hapo. Mwache analala. Brass. Brass, kenda tu pale kwa mlango. Na ndani. Yeah, before I was just speaking to my man. Yeah. Andy, before I go to, I don't know your name. Before I go to Albania, I have to go to South Africa, to UK, not South Africa, UK to see Prince, African Prince. Thank you so much. I don't know your name, but I appreciate your gift. I don't know how to appreciate you. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much, my brother. African Prince, have you get this time? Have you heard this song? Can I translate for you, African Prince? Can I do it? The translation is very funny. Yeah! Thank you, my brother, for your gift. I see Kringle, Afghanistan. Thank you, my brother from Afghanistan. Yeah. Thank you so much, my brother from Afghanistan. Thank you so much. Let me translate for you this song before I continue with the playing that song. The song, I am really sure there are no kid, nobody under 18 years watching this video. Do you know why? The main reason why I say that is no good. Now I'm back. I'm back now. I was recharging the bundles. Really sorry for that. Yeah, so I was translating the song, guys. For those who are watching, I was saying the song is about how you eat everything you get. Something like a groundnut, you have to remove the cover and you eat it. Something like if you get a beautiful lady, you have to give him some good vibes, telling him I love you, I need you. Yeah. So one day you have to invite the lady in your place. After that, she will remove everything and everything sweet naked. Are you getting African friends? Africa, Afghanistan, my brother. Thank you so much. That's the thing about. Now it's raining. Go to it. The only thing was sweet naked. The only thing was sweet naked. The only thing was sweet naked. Yeah. Ha ha. The only thing was sweet naked. Yeah. Kila kitu tamu uchi. Afghanistan, the all thing was sweet naked. When you go to UK, all thing was sweet naked. Even in Kenya, all thing was sweet naked. Kila kitu tamu uchi. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Afghanistan, you are. You buy groundnut, yeah. You have buy groundnut, ah. You have to move. You have to remove the cover. Yeah, Afghanistan, my brother. You have to move all cover. You enjoy the interior. Ah, yeah. You get a beautiful lady. Yeah. You have to seduce her. You have to seduce her. You have to kill her with the vibe. Afghanistan. Yeah, man from Afghanistan. You meet a beautiful lady. You have to seduce her. Yeah. You have to seduce the lady. And the lady accept your seduction. Yeah. You have to invite the lady. Are you ready? After you invite the lady, yeah. Are you ready? You know how to do something. Yeah. After that, you have to say, the only thing was sweet naked. Kikumoko mi chuduge obutu. Obutu. Kikumoko mi chuduge. That means everything sweet naked. But then that song was played with my grandfather. I'm not the owner of the song. My grandfather is the one who played that song. Say everything sweet naked. Yeah. Afghanistan, my brother. What's your real name? Because you just tell me about Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath, good man. My brother from Afghanistan. Yeah. Huh? African Prince. Yeah. Ungel. We have a friend from Afghanistan. You let all of you. You alone all of you. African Prince. Don't you know my I see Jalo. Yeah. I see African Prince. Our friend from Afghanistan. Suren in the fight. I don't think they fight. Absolutely. Yeah. How is Afghanistan? How is UK? Are you ready? African Prince, come to Kenya. Chukulengege, yeah. Chukulekamanga. Yeah. It's my class today. My youth, I love Miss Kanda. My brother, Afghanistan. How is Afghanistan, my brother? Yeah, beautiful karma. Come to Kenya. Come to Kenya. Come, you are welcome. Yeah. Hakuna Matata. I see. I will show you, Anita. Hakuna Matata. Yeah. African Prince. You remember that song? Jambo, Jambo, Kwana, Amaringana, Nzuri-san, Maganimishwa, Kenya, Hakuna Matata. Yeah. Hakuna Matata. Yeah. Hakuna Matiti. Hakuna Bubsio. Are you ready? Hakuna. Yeah. Hakuna Matiti. Hello. We have big nyash. Hatuna Matiti. Yeah. Ready? Thank you so much. Hakuna Matata. I really appreciate your time. Rim, check, keep on watching ringtone. There's a vibe now. I see a lot of people now watching, guys. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys. But for now, I just want to say thank you so much, African friends. You have been here for me. I don't know how to appreciate you. My brother from Afghanistan also have been joining every day. Thanks so much, my brother. I don't know how to appreciate. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Is Maka Mugenda. There's a guy asking me about to show the instrument. This is the instrument. Yeah, most welcome. Thanks so much. I have to chill right now because I have performed for 3 good hours. 3 good hours. Anybody with a request? Anybody with a question? Anybody with anything, anybody with a comment. No comment. No, I see African Prince original Nyatiti rock is bro. Thanks so much, my brother. Have a nice time. May God bless you. Have a nice time. Be safe. Subscribe on YouTube. Watch. Hallelujah. God bless. Wow. Respect African Prince. Hello, bro. You are Buddha. You are late, my brother. I'm really sorry, my brother. Buddha. Hello. You are late. I'm really sorry. I was going. I'm fine, bro. I'm really fine, but right now I'm going. The vibe is over now. Thanks so much. May God bless you. Hey, nataka ongee. Ongea. God. Oh, wow. Let's say God is good.